Okay, so here we are. Where are we, Sebi? Lingostown. It's actually a Harrisburg address.
Be somewhere.
Yeah, it's like on the outskirts of Harrisburg. We're kind of right by 81, off of 81, near the mountain. But anyway, doesn't matter where we're at. We got a nice house here. Really nice house. With oak floors. Now, originally, the customer wanted to tear these floors out, and I almost had a heart attack. Actually, they weren't going to tear them out. They were going to go over top with LVP, which would have been just not good. They didn't understand. They didn't know that you could refinish wood. Well, they do now, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to refinish. It's not a very, I don't know, maybe 500 square feet, something like that. This dining room, hallway, over to here. This client, the way we got in touch was he played basketball for Hershey, and I'm pretty sure I guarded him back in high school. And he just knew I had a flooring business, I guess, and that's how we got in touch. It's pretty cool how we got in touch. But anyway, so we're doing these floors. We're also pulling this runner up, and then we're going to refinish the steps. It's also oak. Before we do that, we're going to rip up this railing and all these spindles, and there's a lot of them. A lot of spindles. They're going to keep it wood, but we're going to get new railing because they don't like the color. We're going to get that to match the flooring. And I'm pretty sure this is the LVP we're installing as well. So this is like a 4-part job. Sebi's counting the spindles right now. I didn't go through and count them, but I'm guessing it's about 100. Anyway, yeah, so we're refinishing the steps. We're refinishing the floor. We're pulling up all the spindles and the railing. We're going to put new railing unfinished. We're going to stain it to match this, whatever color they choose. And I think the color, again, is going to be like this. It's like a grayish color. So we're going to match that as close as we can. And yeah, that's not it, though. We're going to tear this tile out. They had another contractor say you can go over top of this. You can, but that's not professional.
78 spindles.
78 spindles.
Yeah, you pretty close.
Okay. All right, well, there we have it. They bought the spindles. I don't know where they're at.
I guess no. I don't know.
That's a vanity. They got a new vanity. That's cool. I guess we're putting in a new vanity too. Well, anyway, we're gonna be taking this. Damn, Sebi. Move that shit up. Yeah, right. Anyway, excuse me here. Oh man, I can't really breathe. Anyway, turn the fan on. We gotta take this tile out, which isn't hard and it's actually fun to do. We'll remove the tile and then we're gonna install LVP up to here. See how they use the tile edging? That's what the last job we were gonna use that, but they didn't want it.
Weird.
They were kind of yeah. They wanted it a certain way to be completely flush. And then we got to do this room too. This is a laundry room. This is kind of a big house, dude. This we can't go over top of. It's just vinyl. So there's no sense in ripping sheet vinyl up.
No.
That's only a 32nd of an inch thick. Like, if anything, the LVP is gonna be flush with this, with the vinyl, I believe. Yeah. So that's gonna work out perfect. We'll run it basically right up to this and put a new threshold. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's the new job. We're starting this week. I'm thinking probably, I don't think we'll have this done Friday, but maybe. I'm thinking Monday, probably. But we'll see. Whatever it takes, it takes. Thanks for checking us out.